How to activate your SoFi card. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we'll walk you through how to activate your SoFi card, whether it's debit card linked to your checking and saving account or SoFi credit card. Activation is quick, secure and can be completed entirely within the SoFi application. So for that, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser, or if you have the application you can open it also. Once you open the browser, simply log into your account, and once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on banking and select debit card. You'll see an active debit card section. You want to go ahead and simply tap on it to begin the process. And now enter the last digit of your social security number, followed by your card expiration date and your 3-digit code on the back of your debit card. And just like that, now you want to go ahead and simply choose a 4-digit PIN for the ATM and point of sale transactions to confirm it. And just like that, you want to go ahead and submit it. Once submitted, you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know your SoFi debit card is active and ready to use. Now, if you are activating a SoFi credit card, the process is just as simple. Open the SoFi app and navigate to the credit card tab. Once you're inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on activate card, and just like so, enter the 3-digit CVC on the back of your card when prompted. Once confirmed, your card will be activated and available for use right away. So if you are an authorized user, you won't be able to activate your card yourself through the app. In that case, call SoFi's customer service and you can use the automated system if you're calling from phone or tied to a main account, or speak directly with the representatives. And that's all it takes to activate your SoFi card. Whether you are ready to swipe your debit card or make your first credit purchase, activation only takes a few minutes. If you run into any issues, SoFi in-app support or customer service is just a tap away. Thank you all for watching the video and stay tuned until our next upload.